Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. For that you have to log in into your account. From there you have to go to Fantasy, and from there you have to go to Transfer. And right now I'm not able to see the transfer option over here because of this reason. I'm not able to see that. The chip cannot be cancelled if you have made two more transfer this game week once the chip status changed, cancelled or reversed. This is the reason I'm not able to see. But if you are able to seeing that option, you can just simply click on that whatever player you want to wildcard, or you just go to your list and go to transfer and go to list. You will get to see here uh, the transfer option. Right now I'm not able to because I have that option is disabled for me. But if you are able to see that option, you can just simply wildcard that player. If this video found informative, you can just simply subscribe to the channel, and thank for watching.